Hey guys, thank you for stopping by Pippin and Dippin YouTube channel. We got Hunter. Look at, he's finally on video, guys. Look at, like, that's why we hide him, because he's so good looking. We don't want you to get distracted. But in all seriousness, guys, my name is Joe Von Grichton. You see Hunter, the Pip Hunter Burkett here with me. And hey, if you're a first-time visitor, awesome. Welcome. Go ahead and pound that button, the subscribe button. Hit the bell too, so you get notified anytime we have a new video. And definitely check out the rest of the videos. Also, in addition, we would highly recommend that you put I subscribed in the comment section below. We love to give out free gifts to those people that do that. And of course, ask us questions there. If you have any questions, or if you'd like us to do a specific video, go ahead and put it in there. We actually had this happen about, what, a month ago, Hunter?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago.
A couple weeks ago, yeah. 2-3 weeks ago, 2 or 3 of our videos ago, somebody had asked us to do a video specifically, I think, on trend resets. And our next video, we did it on trend resets. So we're here to help you guys. This channel is explicitly for you guys. We are market maker traders, you know, front to back. And look at, guys, when we say that, you're not going to get some other crazy strategy here. You're going to get one strategy. Our scalping strategy is based off of the market maker strategy, period, the end. That's all you're going to get. If that's too vanilla, black and white for you, then please, thank you for stopping by. Go ahead and go to another channel, and they'll go ahead and tell you how you can make millions with 72 different strategies.
Exactly.
But if you're serious about your trading, then you want to stay here, because today we're going to talk to you about something really close to our hearts, something that's really important to Hunter and I. And like I said, we've created it with you in mind, and other visitors that follow us on YouTube. So without further ado, Hunter, I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to you, let you lay the sauce down, man.
Cool
and,
deal.
Tell them what we're about.
You know we're serious when we come to a Zoom and one of us has got a Star Wars shirt on. Like, you know we're serious, right?
Hey, the force is strong, brother.
Exactly. So a little bit about myself. If you haven't heard, guys, I'm pretty sure I've talked about it in previous videos, but like, I come from an oil field background, you know, grinding to the bone to make a living, you know, pretty much my whole career, as far as being 18 years old, until, you know, I got into the multi-level marketing, and I was able to step away from my job, meet some phenomenal people like Joe at events, and then, you know, we progressed from there. Here we are, trading Forex. Never thought I'd be trading in the markets. And now we have an academy, right? Together. So, but guys, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. It was, you know, a painful path to get where we are today, to be profitable in the markets and things like that. So I'll tell you the whole story. If you join Pippin and Dippin and you get on a full call with me and Joe, then I'll tell you my full backstory. It's just kind of long, so I want to make this, you know, short and sweet. I know that we're not going to be talking about charts today. This is more of, you know, letting you understand and get familiar of what Joe and I are actually trying to do here, right? And what we have. If you don't understand what we have in the background, as far as, you know, not just our YouTube channel, we have an academy, right? And we want to talk about it. We want to brag about it, because we have some students in our academy that are doing phenomenal things. We have people that haven't even traded before. We got a guy in our group that's been in our group for 5 months and has quadrupled an account, and he's never traded. He's never even looked at a price chart. And the reason why, guys, it has nothing to do with the strategy. It has nothing to do with the strategy. It has something to do with his mind wasn't clouded when he came to us. He knew nothing. We taught him the basics of Forex. We taught him our strategy, and he followed. That was it, right? You can see that 90% of people that are on YouTube searching for a new strategy, they're the ones that are failing. They're the ones that are losing money, right? Because they see that it doesn't work at that moment, and it's just gone, right? So, so as you heard, Joe and I are market maker traders, and we have come to think that we have kind of simplified it, right? There's a lot of market maker stuff out there, but, you know, there was some things that we seen that we didn't like, as far as being too technical, because I feel like you can be too technical in the market. You can overanalyze and, you know, mess the whole trade up and be phenomenal. You either miss it or you get into a trade that you don't want to be in. right? So I have this post. If you guys didn't see it, you know, there's on our story, there's 3 things you have to have as a trader. You have to be systematic for it, okay? And then 2, you got to know how to handle your equity, okay? You got to know how to manage money. And number 3, you got to have a plan. If you don't have those 3 things, you're going to fail. I'm telling you that as a person, you're going to fail, right? In this market, in this game. So as I said, we have simplified our trading. Do we use indicators? Absolutely. I feel like indicators are, people trade without them. I feel like they're a must. Guys, you walk in Walmart right now, there's maybe 4 or 5 cash registers that have people in it. Our world is evolving. There's things that think way faster than we do. So why not use them? Why not use the tools, right? Yes, they're wrong sometimes. We're wrong more than they are, if you really think about it, right? So I want to give you a little background of our group, right? So is Pippin and Dippin Academy. As you can see, our YouTube channel. Guys, we have some phenomenal content on our YouTube channel, but I feel like that on our YouTube channel, you're not going to get that presence of that one-on-one. Let's take this. You walk into a classroom, you're 7 years old, okay? Your teacher's talking about something, and you really want to ask that question, but you have 25 people in your group, you're a little introverted, and you don't get your question asked, and you end up failing that subject, or that thing that she was talking about, or you might have had a better way, right? That's the problem in Forex. There's a lot of people that don't get their questions answered, and then they fall behind, and what's the next option? They quit, right? So we do 2 calls a week, okay? We run a Monday call where people can hop on, they can ask anything, kind of like a motivational, getting ready for the week, blah, 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 rah, 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 and we hype up, we don't want to stay down. We're not saying that we don't hype. We do hype. We get motivated on that call. We watch a motivational video before every call, and then we get right into the call and people start asking questions. What do you got? What do you have done? Right? And then Friday, I run a bar replay call where I do a bar replay the full week of the market. And what we do is we go through every pair that we trade, okay, even other pairs that other people trade, and we look for the right setups. And we're playing the bars as they go, right? And people are actually getting to identify, Hunter, stop. There's a trade. And then we analyze. We put lines on it. We mark entries. Bam. We put a risk to reward on it, and we see if it hits, right? You tell me how good that can help you, right? As a trader, working with somebody that's already done it, right? That's how I feel. And then you come into the group, and you're feeling a little overwhelmed with the training and things like that. That's when we hop on a one-on-one. We don't charge extra for no one-on-one or nothing like that. We hop on a one-on-one and we break it down for you. We also give plans out. You want a full-on plan, we'll map it out. We'll draw it out. We'll give you the pairs that you want to trade that fit your personality and everything, right? The reason why is because we care about your success, right? Is Pippin and Dippin a large company? Absolutely not. I don't care for it to be a large company. Let me put it to you this way. Pippin and Dippin will grow. It will be, I feel like, a massive impact in the Forex realm. But as of right now, I really don't care to have, 300,000 subscribers, which would be dope, right? But at the end of the day, even in Pippin and Dippin Academy, I can care less if we have 5,000 people in the group. I care more about if 10 people get to quit their jobs, right? That's more impactful. That's the real result. That's the real testimony, right? So that's what we're here for. And we wanted to shoot this, and also, guys, I left out the sauce. We trade live every day with our students. If you go look at my stories, I shot a story today on us trading live. We caught a few trades today. Honest opinion, today was a break-even day. Today was a kind of a hard day of trading. It was. The markets were not acting normal, right?
Wait, Hunter. It was a hard, 2-3 hours of trading?
2-3 hours, yeah. Done.
Oh, wait, are we done for the day?
Yeah, absolutely done. Absolutely done. And
Wait.
even like a break-even day. So if you're taking a loss of the day, which does happen, a break-even day is like a win to me. Right? If you take that day, if you say, you know, even there was losses in there, break-even day, you know the wins are coming. You know the wins are coming, right? Just stay consistent with it, right? Discipline with this plan, and you'll make it, guys. You'll make it. The reason why I'm shooting this video, I told Joe, I said, man, I don't even want to show charts today. I want to shoot a video and try to grab somebody that's struggling, somebody that needs this. Okay, I was that person that needed help. And guys, the reason why I'm where I'm at in Forex is because I went and got the help that I needed to seek clarity. Just for my mentor to say, Hunter, you are screwed up, brother. You need to stop trading with live money. You need to do this, you need to do that, you need to do that. Gave me a plan, followed it. Right? Joe did the same thing. Okay? So
hey, while he's thinking about his next thought, guys, I'm going to interject, and I apologize, Hunter, if I'm cutting you off, but I want to really, as you listen to the rest of what Hunter has to say, and as you've listened to him, if you watched the video this far, there's something really, really important that you need to consider. Is it time? Time. It's the most precious thing that we have in our life. It's time, period, the end. We don't get it back. We don't know what's to come. All we have is right now. And that's exactly what happened for Hunter and I. Hunter and I both had really bad accidents. Mine was a little bit longer ago, but that was like the pivot point, the change in my life, the trajectory change in my life. And it definitely was for Hunter, because at the end of the day there's nothing wrong with going to work every day and exchanging your time for dollars. However, most people don't realize that they're doing it, and they get so caught up in that. Next thing they know, 20 years has gone by, 25 years, 30 years, 35 years, and sometimes even 40 years gone by, guys, of your best years of your life, your best health. You've finally accrued all that wealth, and now you're retired, and now your health is gone, right? The time that you missed out on with your kids or your significant others, your family, or just doing the things you want to do, travel around the world, whatever the case may be. And that's really what Forex can give you. Forex can give you your time back. Forex can give you opportunities. Forex can be a tool to build wealth. Forex can be so many different things. It is a solution, and that we created it exactly for that. And the second thing I'm going to tell you right now is, it's not the strategy that will make or break you in Forex. And Hunter already said what it is. It's your emotions. It's your emotions. It's your mindset. And that's why we start every Monday off on that Monday night call with some motivation, feeding you so you're fed. Just like how people go to church on Sundays to get fed for the week mentally, that's the same thing that we're looking to do here in our group, is feed people, lift people up, because it's going to be hard days, especially in the beginning. It's going to be hard. All right. Like Hunter said, we know that this isn't for everybody, but at the same time, we know if we can help as many people as possible have options, have different opportunities that they wouldn't otherwise have, then we know that we're doing a good thing. And we've priced it so ridiculously low. I mean, what we charge for our academy one time is what most people charge to talk to them for like 15 minutes. And you get us every day. You get Hunter and I on a call every day, a trading call, on top of the Mondays and Fridays. The Friday call that Hunter does is off the charts, guys. I mean, it's off the charts. We've got a guy that is in our group from the UK. I'll leave his name out, but he's been a professional stockbroker for 35 years. He joined our group. He knows how to trade. He knows how to trade Forex. He just hasn't done a lot of it. He's traded stocks predominantly. And he came into our group because he loved what Hunter was doing. He loved what we were doing in our videos. Guys, we have people from all over the world that are a part of our group. Like Hunter said, we're not huge. I can tell you this, we've doubled this year in size. In 11 months, we've doubled our academy in size. From the group that we started with to beta test everything to make sure that it made sense to people, to where we're at now, we've doubled in size. And I guarantee you we'll double or triple again in the next year. And it's not about making money off of you guys. It's about helping you guys, you know, have options. Take back your time. Take back your power.
That's the reason why you open up an academy, guys, is because when you get through with a student, you want them to perform, right? If they don't, you didn't do your job. That's why it says academy, right? The instructor didn't do their job, and he's right. It's a one-time fee. I'm not charging you monthly, nothing like that. It's not reoccurring. I call out trades. I don't really say, hey, I'm taking, well, I do say that, I'm taking this. I'm not saying, hey, buy this and blah, 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 blah. I want you to be able to understand the market, where when I say, hey, I'm taking CJ, you know where to put your stop loss. You know where to put everything. You're good, right? And we teach that. So not to take up any more of you guys' time. I know I don't want to make this video very long, but come join us at Pippin and Dippin Academy. You know what I mean? Oh, Dippin got tongue twisted, but you guys, you see the passion behind us both, right? And we're here to help. Like I said, we got plenty of people in our group that's doing really well, and we got people in our group that's struggling. Not many people are going to tell you that, right? Yeah. But we're steadily working. We're steadily working, and they're steadily getting better day by day, right?
Well, and I was talking to that, guys, and I won't interrupt any more after this, is we actually have one member. He's been trading probably longer than Hunter and I, or right about as long as we have. Never really had a winning week. He's had winning trades, but he's lost a lot of money in the market. And last week, like pretty much the last 2 weeks, have been his biggest 2 weeks of trading that he's ever had. Most consistent, most profitable. He's had bigger wins, but then he's lost that and then some. He's blown, a lot of money doing it the wrong way. Now he's doing it the right way, following a systematic approach, like what Hunter was saying. What did you say? Systematic? What's your second one, Hunter?
Have a plan.
Have a plan. Well, that's the third one, man.
Yeah. Know how to control your equity.
Equity, risk management. That's a huge one. We have somebody that just came into the group, and she's a rock star trader. She's taken very small accounts to into like decent size accounts. It's amazing what she's done, but her risk management gets a little freaky on her. So we're working with her on it. We have people that come in, they're all different levels of trading, guys. So if you're new, that's great. That's the best place to be. If you're experienced, that'll be a little bit harder because we might have to break some bad habits. But with that, guys, it's simple. It's simple. The biggest thing is again, keep in mind, how much more time are you willing to waste or invest into somebody else's dream and helping them build it instead of building your own dream and living your best life? That's what I will challenge you with right there. I'm gonna let Hunter go ahead and close this out. Hunter, I apologize for interrupting again, man. You just got me all pumped up. I started thinking about all this stuff, man. I'm like, let's go.
You're good. You guys know that Joe is passionate about, personal development, keeping the mind clear, thinking accurately on a daily basis. He's our mind guy, and don't let him fool you neither. He's a beast in the charts. So, yeah, guys, that's all we want to talk about. Come join us at Pippin and Dippin Academy, and let's see where you're at. Let's see if we can help you. Y'all guys have a great day.
Right on, guys. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.